Good morning, all of you, both of you. Good morning, beta Rehansh.
Also,
Rehansh, why the other students are not joining the meeting? Sorry,
what are going to do?
I think there is some
So there is
problem.
problem in Zoom. So
Yes,
student can't join.
there is some problem with Zoom app. Students are not able to join. Vivek Kumar has joined.
Yes.
Vivek, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Dhwani, good morning. The voice is not coming, Dhwani. Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Now it's coming. Well, Akshat Sahu, good morning.
Sir, what we are doing?
We will continue the chapter multiplication.
Okay, sir.
In this, we have already done question A and B of exercise 5.1. We have to start with question C today.
Yes, sir. A, B, we have, sir, A and B we have completed.
Yes. Let's start with question C. Rehansh, can you read the first part of question C? It is a word problem. Can you read?
If a cup of rupees
Just wait, just
37 rupees, then how much does the
wait. Your voice is not coming properly. Just wait for a minute.
excuse me, sir?
Yes.
How many pages I have to leave for yesterday's work?
Yesterday, have you, first of all, Bunny, tell me how many you have done till which question, Bunny?
Sir, I have done A part
A, all the parts you have
and
done?
B part in
Uh, B,
yes, sir, and
question
B
B,
part in book.
B in the book, okay. So that means you don't have to leave any page now. You will
Okay,
do we will do the first question of B part now. Question C, first part. We will do now. And now, Rehansh, read the question, first part.
if a cup costs 37 rupees, then how much does a person spend if it buys 3,560 cups?
Very good. So what is the meaning? Can you explain the meaning of the question and can you tell what to do in the question?
Sir, the meaning is, sir, in this, sir, we will do multiplication in this question. And sir, it, and sir, the meaning is that sir, the cost of a one cup is 37 rupees. Then, sir, what will be the cost of the 3,560 cup? This is the
Very good. So let me explain also. Very good, Riyansh. You are correct. So there is a hotel, and the hotel is going to buy some cups. The cost of each cup is rupees 37. Cost of one cup is rupees 37. You have to find what will be the cost of the hotel wants to buy 3,560 cups. So you will find the cost of 3,560 cups now. Okay. So कैसे find करेंगे? If we multiply 3,560 by 37, we will get the cost of these many cups. Okay. Can you write these statements on your own? Everyone, write down the statements and
Yes.
find the answer also. I'm giving you some time for writing these statements and finding the answer. Do it in 3 minutes. All of you start doing. After that, we will check your statements and the answer. Find the answer.
So it is showing screen has been shared only.
Sorry, what happened?
So nothing much. Now I will call. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta Arushi. Arushi, start doing the first part of question C, exercise 5.1. Start doing it in your copy. Speak a little louder, Arushi.
Sir, I'm saying that yesterday what we have done.
Yesterday, actually, we have not done much. We have just completed exercise 5.1, question A and question B. A and B we have completed. Now we are starting with question C. Okay. First part, question C, first part, you have to do. Read the question, write these statements. It is a word problem. Write these statements and find the answer. We will just check. Start doing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you are telling that A part, B part we have done yesterday on 7, but in my notebook there is a date of 6
Yes,
that I have done the A part.
we did a question B in the class day before yesterday. Okay, in the book only. Question A I gave you in homework day before yesterday only.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Okay, we will just check. So I'm doing it on the board. You all now check your answers. Cost of each cup rupees 37. Cost of 3,560 cups rupees. चलो रुपीस बाद में लगा देंगे. 3,560 multiplied by 37. So the answer is 1,31,720 rupees. 1,31,720.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Check your answers.
Sir, statement also is uh, my statement also is same, but cost of each. I have not written each. I have written one.
No problem. Absolutely correct. Vivek and Rayansh, have you both also done? Rayansh has done. He has sent the answer. Vivek, have you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Very good. So let's start with question 2. Vivek, can you read question number 2?
A doctor charges rupees 340 per visit and he sees 450 patients per month. How much does he earn every month?
What do you understand with the question?
A doctor charges 340 rupees per visit.
And
And he sees 450 patients per month.
so what to do in this case to find his total income every month?
So we have to multiply.
We will multiply. Correct. So there is a doctor. The fees of the doctor is, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, आप एक फीस पे करते हैं डॉक्टर को. कभी गए हैं डॉक्टर के पास? कोई बच्चा ऐसा है जो डॉक्टर के पास नहीं गया आज तक? जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. ध्वनि, आज तक कभी डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
No, sir. I just think that you have said that doctor के पास जो गया है.
सभी बच्चे गए होंगे. रेयांश, have you
Sir,
ever
I
been
have
to a
gone
doctor?
many times.
Many times. Reyansh,
Yes,
have you
sir.
ever been? Reyansh, have you ever been to a doctor?
Sir, I am done with the second one.
You have done the second question. Very good. Chaliye, so there is a doctor, and the fees of the doctor is rupees 340. He charges rupees 340 from every patient. Okay. So He sees 450 patients in a month. In 1 month, every month, he sees 450 patients. We have to find that what is his total earning in a month. Okay. Every month, what is his total earning? So we will just multiply 450 by 340. We will get the answer.
Sir, I have got the first statement, but not getting second statement.
Okay, I am writing charges per visit equals to rupees 340. Okay, then number of patients seen every month 450. Total earning 450 multiplied by 340. Find the answer. Reyansh has already done it. Reyansh has also sent the answer. All of you start doing it. Write these statements and find the answer, everyone, and send your answer in the chat box. Garv Agarwal, please start your video, beta. Garv.
Okay, sir, 1 minute. Sir, send the answer.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Dhwani and Garv, please send your answers.
Sir, I'm just typing. Sir, I also 1 minute.
Send your answer, beta.
Sir, 1 minute, I am sending.
Very good, Dhwani. Your
Sir, I
answer
am
is
typing.
correct. Dhwani, your answer is correct. Very good. Okay, Dhwani, can you read the third question?
There are 35 notes of 500 of
Is correct.
500.
Beta, wait a minute, Dhwani. I'm writing the answer here on the board. 1,53,000. Answer is 1,53,000. The product of 450 and 340 is 1,53,000. And also don't forget to write the unit. Rupees. Rupees जरूर लिखना है. Rupees का symbol बनाना आता है आपको? Do you know how to make
Yes,
make the symbol of rupees?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing word problems. We have done
Just like
Okay.
2 questions. We'll do the third one. Dhwani, please read the third one. Question C. Third part.
there are 65 notes of rupees 500. How much is there altogether?
How much money is there altogether? Okay, so what to do in the question, Dhwani?
The multiplication.
Yes, we have to multiply. So there are there are some notes. The value of each note is rupees 500. Okay, how will you write these statements? Value of each note rupees 500.
The value of 60, sir, the value of 65 notes is 500, not of
नहीं,
each
value
note.
of each मतलब every note is of rupees 500. 65 notes की value 500 नहीं है. Value of each note is rupees 500. So how many notes are there? Number of
5.
notes equals to 65. Total number of notes are 65. सारे notes 500 rupees के हैं. Total number of notes are 65. So what is
This
the
is
total
the
total money equals to 500 multiplied by 65. Find the product. 65 और 500 को कैसे multiply करेंगे? Do you know this method? If we multiply 65 by 5, can we find the answer? 65 को 5 से multiply करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं? Do you know this method of multiplication? 65 को 5 से multiply करो. 5 into 5 25 232. 325 आया देखिए product. 65 into 5 is 325. अब क्या करना है? You just put 2 zeros in the last. Last में 2 zeros लगा दीजिए. Answer आ गया. Do you know this
Sir,
or not?
this like sir, I know with 1, not 5 digit. I just
देखो,
know
for
with
example, let me give you another example of this. This is the question. ये तो हो गया. चलो मैं आपको एक और example दे रहा हूँ. Suppose if I have to multiply 200 and 400, मुझे 200 और 400 को multiply करना है for example. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगा? मैं 4 और 2 को multiply कर दूंगा. 4 into 2 कितना होगा? 8. Okay. So 200 into 400 कितना होगा? 8 लिखिए. Write down 8 and then count the number of zeros. Total number of zeros. 1 2 3 4. कितने zeros हैं यहाँ पर? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 zeros यहाँ पे लगा दो. आंसर कितना हो गया? 80,000. Understood? Do you know this method of multiplication, everyone? ये टेक्निक आपको मालूम है? नहीं पता था, अब पता चल गया.
yeah.
Now have you
Sir,
understood?
sir, this technique I know only with 1 digit.
ओके, चलो अब समझ में आ गया एवरीवन? हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir. Sir, please scroll upwards. I want to
यस
see.
यस
Yes.
यस। रुपीज 32,500 is the answer.
Sir, done. Sir, can I
Sir,
join with another device?
Yes. Okay, done. Third one, all of you.
Sir, done.
yes, sir, we have done.
Okay, can you read? Who will read the fourth one? Chalo, Dhwani, read the fourth one. Rehansh, have you done?
Lakshman,
Rehansh, have you done fourth?
Yes, sir, I have done fourth question also.
Okay, very good. Dhwani, read the fourth one.
Lakshman walks
Yes, sir, I have
459 steps every day. How much will he walk in 60 days? Sir, we will do multiplication.
Very good. So there is a person named Lakshman. He walks 2,459 steps every day. काउंट करके ही वॉक्स, काउंट करके वॉक करते हैं। कौन करता है भाई? काउंट करके, स्टेप्स काउंट करके वो, तो वो पहन ली होगी, क्या कहते हैं उसको? डिजिटल वॉच, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? बैंड जो पहनते हैं, फिटनेस बैंड।
Sir, it counts as step.
हाँ, इट काउंट्स दी स्टेप्स आल्सो। चलो, so 2,459 steps he walks every day. Now you have to tell that in 60 days how many steps will he cover? Okay, so question 4. Number of steps covered every day equal to 2,350. कितने? ये नहीं, sorry, 2,449, 59, 2,459, and number of steps covered in 60 डेज आपको निकालना है, कितने कवर हो जाएंगे? So 2459 multiplied by 60. Find the answer. Find the answer.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Okay. Correct answer. 1,47,540. Very good. 1,47,540 steps. Understood? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so fifth one. Can you do the fifth one in homework, all of you?
Yes,
I
sir.
have one
Yes, sir.
question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
homework.
start doing right now. Right now, you can. I think before your next period start, can you complete it? जल्दी करो.
Sir,
अगर हो जाए
it's
तो अच्छा.
our break.
Break
It
है. Okay,
it will
okay,
till 9:05.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, Cindy.
Sir, I have
Riya-
posted. Sir, I
Riyansh,
have sent the answer last one in chat.
okay.